Custom factory order a new vehicle today. Lock in pricing at the time of order.
Lease the new Jeep Grand Cherokee L at the exclusive VIP price. The first Grand Cherokee with third-row seating and the most legroom in its class. Second-row buckets with manual easy entry side. Third-row 50/50 manual folding seat. Remote start system. Uconnect 5 with 8.4-inch display. Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto. Heated seats and steering wheel. Power liftgate. 18-inch fully painted aluminum wheels. 6 premium speakers, and more. Plus, every Garden City vehicle comes with America's #1 VIP Plus program. At Garden City Jeep Chrysler Dodge Ram, we make it easy. Big Finish Sales Event.